Hey crafty friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video. Today we're making a clean and simple Mother's Day card using products from Pixi Dust Designs. I've got my card panel. I've also went ahead and die cut a frame a couple times. That's going to be for my background. We're going to do a little ink blending on that, and I went ahead and cut out my die cut pieces. So I've got my little soup bowl. We're going to build it up first. So we will get all this ready. I'm going to put this right here so I can see it. So I can move that to the side. We're going to take our little soup bowl and we will layer that up first. So we're going to go ahead and layer our little soup in there. Layer that on. And there are etch lines, so you know where to line everything up. If I could actually see them, that would help. We have our other part of our soup bowl that's going to get layered back there. Actually, it's going to get layered in the front. Is it the front? No, it gets layered in the back. I was just looking to make sure. We will layer that in the back. Right back there. We've got our fork, our spoon. I did cut it out from, I went ahead and cut it out from black first, but then I changed my mind and decided to cut it out from a lighter brown color. So I'm going to pop that in there first. And then I've got my noodles we're going to pop on. I've got my bottom part of our bowl as well. So we'll go ahead and layer that on. We've got our little eggs. So I'm going to add a couple dots of liquid glue in there. I'll take my pickup tool to pick up my inner part of my eggs. That one. We'll add that part. We're going to tuck our little eggs in. I'll pick one up and put it back here. My second little egg right over here. With our seaweed noodles. Let's do our little eyes. We've got two parts of our eyes. We've got our little eyebrow, our inner parts of our eyes. And there's actually two sets of eyes you can pick for your design. You can have it eyes open or eyes closed. There's also an additional mouth you could use. Let's get our little eye right there. We'll add that onto our little bowl. And I think I am going to switch to the other mouth so I can go grab it. All right, went and grabbed that other mouth. I had left it over on the other side of the studio, so we're going to have her little mouth right there. And there's our little bowl all done. Let's pull in our background panel. We're going to add a little ink blending with some browns. I'm going to start off with my lightest color. I'm going to come from the top. Darker color. And then our mid-tone. our second coat. Finish up our second coat of ink. Go. We'll let that dry while we build up our frame. So I just cut these out of a die I had, and then I used a smaller rectangle die to create the frame. I didn't have the exact thing that I wanted, so I just made one myself. We're just going to stack these three up. It's just going to give us a little bit more dimension on our card front. So we'll just layer this one up. Press those into place. And I will layer this onto our ink blended panel. So we add that on. I'm going to take and add a little distressed water in there to give it a little bit more texture back there. I can take and add this to my card front. So we're just going to add this down. So we're going to have it coming from on our left hand side of our card. And before we place our little guy, we're going to stamp our sentiment. So I'm going to pop this into my Mini Misty. I'll get our sentiment. I have that right there. And I'm going to stamp that in a gray ink. I'm going to stamp it a couple times. There we go. All right, we'll remove our card front from our stamp positioner. And then we can start building up the rest of our card. So we've got our little soup bowl we're going to have right there. So we're going to add some foam tape behind here to build up that dimension. Pop a few foam squares right there. One on that side. All right, for our little spoon, I just cut a foam strip. And I'm just going to use just a little bit of that to hold it in place. So let me trim that off. Let's see if we need to trim a little bit more. Take and add liquid glue. Add some right there into our little foam pieces. Add our little soup bowl right there. And then I've got my little pieces of steam. So I didn't have the exact color of cardstock, so I just used an ink pad and created my own. Add our little steam right there on our frame. We'll add the other two on the opposite sides. I'm going to come just a little lower. And then this one we're going to have coming up just about right in there. Now I'm going to add a little bit of highlighting to my images. So I'm just going to add a little highlight right there with my gel pen. A little highlight on that bottom piece. There on our top, on our spoon. We'll have some on our little noodles. our eggs. Just a little on our steam. I think we're going to add, since this is super simple, we're going to add some Stardust Stickles to our eggs. And I think to our noodles. Just to give it a little bit of sparkle and shine. So I'm just going to add some and kind of smoosh it with my fingers. That way it's nice and sparkly. All right, my friends, here is our clean and simple You're a Super Mom card featuring products from Pixi Dust Designs. I have everything linked and listed in the video description below if you want to pick anything up. If you like this video, you're probably going to like the one coming up right over there. I'll see you in that video. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.